Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk about the mistakes that many artists make while submitting work. Um, in this digital world, you need to be ahead of the curve. You need to know what media people require. So first, one of the mistakes that most people make while submitting work include: one, are not following instructions. You are supposed to follow the instructions as to the particular media platform. Each of these have a certain way that you're supposed to submit work, so you need to really follow that. Before you do that, too, you need to research the media platform. Is this person a DJ? Is this person a writer? For which kind of platform? Is it an online platform? Is it a newspaper? Is it a radio? So you need to know that. Then the next thing is most artists are always disorganized, so try to package your work neatly in a certain way that is meaningful. There is something called the EPK, electronic press kit, so it has to have everything really about you. Have your bio intact, your images intact, your the music intact, the links all intact, not just sending any things that are not in proper order. Number three mistake that most people make is sending emails as a groupie. Do not try to put different media people in one same email. Like, you want to save your time, and so you send a bulk. It doesn't really wrap well for most of them. Some of your emails get ignored. Some of them, the media people like that special treatment. So try, get time, send out personalized work, which can save you really a lot. The other mistake that most people make is sending links over social media. That doesn't really help. You can be ignored. You actually come off spammy. So try to inquire from the person. Ask them if you can send them the work, and DMing people your links to the music without them really calling for it does not really help with your career. There are 0.5% percent of people get a chance for their spammy links to be paid attention to. All right, that's it for me. For the better creative you need to check on your work and how you package everything. That's all from me. If you have other mistakes that you've seen along the way, you can let me know. Comment them post them in the section there, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm out.